everybody, welcome back to another craft video. My name's Tori and I'm here in the Whitewater Public Library's Makerspace. This week we have a craft for adults. We are going to be making these awesome bookends. So on these bookends there's a printout of kind of like an old vintage looking library checkout card, and you can put your books in the center there and it will support them. How cute are those? So we normally have our in-person craft time on Mondays, but since we were closed yesterday, Monday, September 6th for Labor Day, you're going to be able to pick up this take and make kit September 7th through 11th. So just stop by the library, grab your kit, and follow along with the video. Let's take a look at what you're going to get in your craft kit this week. You're going to get 2 metal bookends, 2 pieces of wood cut to 4.75 by 7 inches. You're going to get 2 library card printouts. You're going to get some black acrylic paint, a little cup of Mod Podge, and a foam brush. At home, you're going to need a pair of scissors and some super glue. I'm going to be using this Gorilla brand craft super glue. But you can use any other super glue that you would like. If you don't have super glue and you want to try substituting some other strong glue that maybe takes a little bit longer to dry, you're going to want to grab some painter's tape or a clip that you can use to hold your project together while it dries. Other optional materials include an X-Acto blade, a craft knife or other sharp knife, and some gloves to keep the paint off your hands. Another option that you have is to change the printout on your bookends. So I'm including these library card printouts in your craft kit, but you can certainly print out whatever image or design you want to put on your bookends. So I think I mentioned before that the wood pieces are cut to 4.75 by 7 inches. So you can simply size your images to fit that and print out whatever you would like. The first thing I did was take a wet rag to these bookends. They've been sitting downstairs in the library's basement for a few years and just needed a little dusting. Now we're ready to paint. I'm going to paint one side only of each of the pieces of wood, and I'm also going to paint the sides and the tops and bottoms of the wood as well, leaving the other side blank. You can apply a couple coats of paint if you would like, and once you're finished painting, make sure you clean this brush really well because we're going to need to use it again with the Mod Podge. Leave your wood to dry. So my paint is dry, looking good. I can go ahead and flip these over. Now I'm going to coat this side with a thin layer of Mod Podge. And then I can take my library checkout card printout. I've already cut away the extra white, and I want to try to center that on this side of the wooden board. Now it's not going to line up perfectly. There's going to be a little bit of extra paper at the bottom. You want to line it up at the top, and then you're going to want to trim away that extra paper from the bottom when you're all finished. So that's where a knife blade would come in handy, an X-Acto knife, a craft knife. You can try to do it with scissors, whatever you have on hand. So cutting away the extra paper with an X-Acto knife turned out to be more annoying than it sounded. So if you don't want to do it that way, you could apply some Mod Podge to the edges of your boards and fold the paper down and do it that way so that there's not extra paper sticking out off the board. Or before you even do any of this, you could go ahead and lay your board down onto the card and then use a pencil to trace around the portion of the card that you want, cut it out, and then apply that to your board. let's take a look at our bookend. Your books are going to sit on this longer flat piece here like this, which means we are going to attach our wood pieces to this side. Now, most of the bookends have these little bumps right here. So your wood piece isn't going to sit exactly flush with the flat part of the bookend, but that's okay. You want to attach it so that this metal piece right here is making as much contact as possible with this wood piece here. And here are my completed bookends. I think they're both holding up really well. I don't want to try to break them, but when I tug on them, the glue holds. So I think the best way to approach this is to try to get a lot of glue right here and get the wood and this part of the bookend really flush together, because I feel like this is where my glue hold is.
Find us at 431 West Center Street, Whitewater, Wisconsin 53190. Our current hours are Mondays through Thursdays from 9 a.m. to 8:30 p.m., Fridays from 9 a.m. through 5:30 p.m., Saturdays from 9 a.m. through 3 p.m., and Sundays we are closed. To keep up to date, add us on social media. And for more information, please visit our website at www.whitewaterlibrary.org or our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/ILYPL.